want to make a vlog. And first, we have an ethyl alcohol and it has 500 ml and his price is 79.50 pesos. And now we are here on the second product that we want to vlog, and it is the Huggies Comfort Diaper for Babies, and it has 31 pieces and its price is 341 pesos. This is our third product. This is called the Baby's Feeding Bottle and it has 125 ml and his maximum price is 88 pesos only. We have our fourth product and this is called the baby shampoo and it has 500 ml and its maximum price is 318 pesos only. Baby oil 125 ml and maximum price is 46 pesos only. The sixth product is Bourbon 840 grams and 299 pesos. Product, and this is the Kinder Care stroller and it has the maximum price of 4,199 pesos only. Our eighth product, the Crave, and the brand of this is Bibita and it has the maximum price of 4,999.75 pesos only.
Tabangsa. The minimum cost of raising a child is 10,370.25 pesos. My insight from this activity is that it is hard to become a parent.
How much the minimum cost of raising a child? Answer, 10,370.25. Number 2. How are your insight from the activity? Answer, not because I can't afford, I win, I have a child. Thank you.